Well, the shutdown's interesting because as part of the shutdown and the fact that the government isn't funded, all non-detained immigration courts are being suspended. So cases aren't being processed, courts aren't in session, and so cases are basically being reset out to the future. So right now, nothing's moving. Trump's whole platform is that he wants to build a wall, and that's why the government shut down. But in the process of shutting the government down, he's also impeding the ability of the courts to decide immigration cases about whether a person can stay or go. So,
what the future of immigration law should look like in this country, because then we might actually get scared.
You have people who are, who are trying to do immigration the right way, following the law, trying to get their day in court so they can get a decision to either grant them their status or maintain their status, and they can't get their day in court, which is immensely frustrating because in some cases, eligibility might be at issue if we wait too long. Certain people might age out of being eligible, certain defenses might no longer be available, and so it raises major issues about the administration of justice and just getting due process in your day in court. In other jurisdictions, other parts of the country, they're facing the same concern, which is immigration courts are already backlogged. Everybody sort of agrees on that concept. And we're seeing the same backlog and the same difficulties in other parts of the country because those courts are also closed. So what we're seeing is a compounding effect throughout the country where people don't have access to courts to make decisions and rule on cases. We're going to see how this plays out, I think, as well as with many other agencies and other parts of the government. A lot of this is going to be making the road by walking it because this is in many ways a little bit new territory given how long the government is shut down and what we're likely to see when it finally starts to back up.